Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix desktop button on taskbar not appear. First, hover over the corner of the taskbar so that you can see that the desktop cannot be displayed. Now we will access settings from the Start menu. By doing so, we will go to the personalization option, then open the taskbar. Here, click on the option Taskbar Behaviors. After that, check the box. Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. You can see that this option is now visible when you hover over the corner of the taskbar. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.